Hi, everyone. This is Ken with Ken's Insurance Agency. We are a full insurance brokerage. We cover the states of Mississippi, Tennessee, Arkansas, Louisiana, Alabama, and Michigan. At present, we are going to be talking about health insurance today. We're going to focus on health insurance and the health products more from a commercial standpoint at this 12 o'clock noon meeting. Tonight, we will focus more on the individual side in our health meeting, but we will touch on the individual side today at noon. We will also be covering a little bit on Medicare at both of these meetings, but we have our own Medicare webinar on the 15th, I believe it is, at 7:30, where we go more in depth into Medicare and how it covers and what it covers and stuff. So let's get started. On the commercial side, your health insurance is broken up into the ACA plans, self-funded plans, and into the ACA alternative plans. The ACA alternative plans have pre-existing condition clauses. The self-funded and the ACA do not. All these basically will qualify you for your employees and your people to get the tax form to be covered, basically, if the tax penalty is brought back and stuff. Do not look for that to happen, but it could. These plans do require for you to basically, as an employer, make a contribution into your employee's health plan. But all we're really asking for is that you promise to do so. And we ask for at least a 50% promise. You can promise more. You can promise the 50%. And there's no auditing on this. So basically, if you don't do it and pass the full cost on to your employees, then there is nobody that's going to say, hey, you can't do that. So basically, that's a plus for you as a business owner. The self-funded and the ACA alternative plans have ways for either the business or the employee to get money back by using the plans generally. HSA can be included on some plans. So that's an option also to save money by raising co-insurances, co-pays, and deductibles, and then offering an HSA plan that the employees put money into to basically pay those costs. Which plan is right for you? Well, that's determined through us getting a census and uploading it and basically seeing what plans come out as the cheapest, the best. Also, when we're looking at it, we're going to want to know any employee or family member that's got a pre-existing condition within certain limitations. We'll want to know what that pre-existing condition is. Those limitations are, we're going to want to know if it's high blood pressure, high cholesterol, glaucoma, cataracts, as these are rate ups. And glaucoma and cataracts is a 12-month look back. If it's beyond 12 months, we don't care about it. But those conditions are rate up. Anything else is excluded for 12 months. So that is one important thing to look at. We can provide prescription drug coverage on the ACA alternatives besides the discount plan. So that's something to look at. Um, let's see here. Also, things to look at is offering optional benefits like an accident, cancer, critical illness, hospital indemnity, disability, dental, vision. And by offering these, you can, one, especially with certain ones, lower your workers' comp rate. Uh, so it helps you save money. Two, by offering an actual benefits package with all these benefits, then you can uh, build loyalty among your employees. And also, when looking for employees, you become a more attractive employer because an employee already knows what they're worth, what they're going to get paid. So the question is, what are they going to get from you when they come to see you? If you're offering them $14 an hour because that's what the job pays, and you don't have benefits, and the guy next door doing the same thing offers them $14 an hour and offers them benefits, they're going to the guy next door. They're not coming to you. So that's something to consider. Um, there's other benefits like life insurance, prepaid legal, and retirement plans. Those we cover in other videos, but those are available. Um, and so that's why we look at all these. On the individual slash family side, oh, one more thing on the commercial side before we go to the individual slash family side. Another thing that you can offer for your employees that are retiring is group Medicare. Great benefit, great thing to offer. They basically are paying more for it. You might contribute to it, but they basically pay for it. And they can get great plans. And there's actually some extensions on the benefits and stuff with group Medicare that's not offered on the individual Medicare side. Now on the individual slash family side and senior side, you got Medicare for the seniors and for your disabled people that's been on Medicaid and on SSI for 24 months or longer. You got the ACA plans, which start out at about $750 and go up from there. And about the only way you can afford them each month is to have that subsidy and cost sharing that basically helps you pay for. The plus is they will cover everything, even pregnancy from day one. Downside is you have to enroll during open enrollment, or you have to have a special enrollment period to be able to enroll. Let's see here. Then you have the ACA alternatives, just like with the commercial side, they have pre-existing condition clauses, usually the same as with the commercial side, but can be a great benefit for you as they do provide health coverage, and you can get money back on them, and they can be more affordable than the ACA plans. The next is a new plan that's just come out, which is known as the short duration medical health plan. It is basically geared like the old style of medical health plans. Some states it's 3 months that it covers. 3 years that it covers. Some states is 2 years that it covers, and some states it's 1 year that it covers. The benefit is after the first year, pre-existing conditions are covered to your renewal date. Uh, so basically, if you're in the 1 year, pre-existing conditions just aren't going to be covered. Anything over a year, you will have at least some coverage for pre-existing conditions after the first year. Very affordable, can be a great alternative for you. The next is short-term health. These go for 3 months to 364 days, so almost a year of coverage. Pre-existing conditions are not covered. Some come with prescription drug plans, some do not. We can add on a prescription drug plan if it does not and you want prescription drug coverage. So that is an option. And with the ACA alternatives and the short-term and short-term medical health duration plans, these do not cover pregnancy within if you're already pregnant before you sign up for the plan. So just know that. So that gives you those options. You can also sign up for the same supplemental health benefits that you can sign up through a company plan. So that's an option for you also. And all. So that gives you the information. I hope this has been informative and will help you. If you want, you can give us a call with your questions or to get a free quote or set of quotes or to get free policy reviews or to even set up an appointment or to start working with us at 662-912-3914. Again, that number is 662-912-3914. Thank you and have a nice day.